Hello everyone, welcome back to Trade the Truth. Gautam Reddy here. Today we have got 50,500 as a strong support in Banknifty during the first 15 minutes of the day. So when market has opened in a flat mode, there is a sort of confusion in the first 15 minutes, but it acted as a strong support and the price and pattern met in the first 15 minutes itself. When price and pattern meets in first candle of 15 minutes or 30 minutes, it will go into the unstoppable move towards at least like 0.7 to 1% usually. That is a in general scenario. The same I have seen in the today's session also at the same time. So we have clearly discussed even in the weekly candle, there is a sort of unfinished business on the top of around 51,000 levels. So 51,000 levels where we have seen a strong resistance also at the same time. This is a resistance and this is a support which I have drawn in the pre-opening. So always preparation of mindset before the market opens will give us the proper clarity and conviction to trade for the day. So if you are a day trader, first we need to know what is the basic support and resistance levels. That is a basic thing which we need to identify as a day trader. Then only we'll get some clarity for the remaining part of the day. What is the action steps we need to take based on the scenarios. So first we need to identify what is the support and resistance. So 50,500 is the support and resistance acts at 51,000 levels. So based on this scenario, Bank Nifty has acted in the same manner exactly. Same manner. Okay, so in this kind of scenario, we have utilized almost like 50,500 call, which we have utilized around like 240 and 300 levels is our entry, which we have taken in the second 15 minutes of candle. Here you can see my position sizing also at the same time, which I have did for the day. So here, this is a price where we have made of almost like 55,000 rupees of profit, and remaining trades I have done few scalping, but majority of my volume I have played in 50,500 call. Let's dive into this 50,500 call where exactly I have taken the entry. Everything we'll be discussing right now. So if you take 15 minutes, so first it has acted around like taking the base of around like 200, and based on our 320 by 240 strategy, we have taken some sort of positions around like 300 levels in the second 15 minutes of candle, taking the stop loss of 240 level. We have clearly implemented this 320 by 240 strategy, especially on Tuesdays. Okay, so if it is on Wednesday, this strategy will be different because based on the expiry. So this 200 level has created a strong base, and 240 is the second base where we got a clear-cut indicator for the upcoming move. That is a sniper shot move which you have seen in the today's session. So this is a range for the support, and 240 level is acting as a second base. In this kind of structure, we can see an unstoppable move towards at least like 200 to 300 points. Almost it reached to 600 levels, but we have taken exit in this range. We have taken exit around like 500 and 550 range based on the trailing methodology. So total profit come to around like 54,400 rupees. This is a total profit which I have achieved for the day. So if we go for the overall scenario of the Bank Nifty, first 15 minutes, it created some sort of confusion. In second trade onwards, we have taken small quantity of the lots and added the total volume based on 320 by 240 structure. Based on this scenario, we got total profit of around 54,400 rupees. So this is my profit which we have did for the day. And I'm opening the order page also at the same time. What are the orders we have created in the first 15 minutes? In first 15 minutes, I have taken small quantity of puts. And then I have shifted my position towards the call side. If you see my order page also, I have clearly mentioned first I have tried to put the order in the put size of 900 quantity, but I cancelled it. We didn't execute it, but I have taken some small quantities here. But majority of my trade I have did in 50,500 calls. These are the calls where I have entered and achieved 54,400 rupees of profit. So this is what which we have did for the day. So coming to the Nifty. Nifty we haven't focused today, but in terms of discussing for the opening session was totally strong. Opening session was totally strong, and it was at the resistance level of 24,650 levels. This is also we have discussed at the same time. So when Nifty opens near the resistance range, but it consolidated heavily. It consolidated heavily as per the yesterday's opening range only for. So there was no much move in the Nifty if you observe. So it's quite difficult to trade in the Nifty in these kind of scenarios. Only writing works, but for buying it's difficult because yesterday Nifty was very good. Bank Nifty was like created unnecessary turbulence in Bank Nifty. So today Bank Nifty is very good and Nifty is unable to trade. So we have, as a Bank Nifty lover, I always focus mainly in the Bank Nifty, but Nifty is my secondary option. In case I don't get any opportunity in the Bank Nifty, I mainly focus in the Nifty segments. So let's see for the expiry, which is going for tomorrow. So tomorrow morning, I'll be releasing my video for the pre-opening session for the expiry. So well prepared for the upcoming video. So kindly have a look of that. Thank you so much.